anyways, as you can see, we're finally playing the game that I've been waiting for. For those of you watching this on YouTube, I apologize for being so late on this. I wanted to post it the day it came out, but I was having trouble getting the game, like I said in previous streams or whatever. But we're finally here, finally managed to get the game. We're playing Master Detective Archives Rain-Code. Been waiting for this since I seen it in the Nintendo Direct like a whole year ago, bruh. Let's get in. I hope the music's as good as it is in, what's it called? In dang, what's the name? In Danganronpa. Yeah. Broadcasting gameplay without licensor holders express content. I don't know what that said, but it looks like I'm gonna get in trouble for posting content of this. Loki, really don't matter though. That one's still good anyway. Tokyo Games. Okay, we got the Cryware. Okay, autosave. Okay. I'm liking this. New game. Let's hop in. Okay, we got a book, Grimoire, diary. It looks like the Gravity Falls book, right? See a Pac-Man looking ghost.
Oh look! A human! It's been a while! Anyway, that was a good nap. I nearly slept through the whole thing. Let's see... Alright, there's something I have to do first. Okay, human, listen up. First, I'll have you select your difficulty.
Bro, they messed
Choose
up letting me do
wisely.
that, bro.
Complain about it later, and I'll boom kill ya. Now then, display the options.
Bro, I don't like that, bro. Cause you know, as a gamer, I low-key have to do the hardest difficulty, right? The thing is, like, I kind of don't want to pick the hardest difficulty for a game like this. I don't even know where the options is. Is this normal? This is easy. This is hard, and this is super hard. I mean, because it's in such a weird order. You think they start off with easy. I think I'm gonna go with lenient because I think it's normal. But maybe I'll change it or something. Because I know there's fighting mechanics in this, I believe. And so, like, if I could do, like, you know, actual fighting, then maybe that's what's hard. But if it's, like, some detective type crap, and that's what's hard, I'm totally screwed. I don't got that much brain power.
Oh, you sure about that? Don't say I didn't warn you.
What do you...
You want to know what difficulty that is? The one you selected is how difficult yours truly will be on you. I'll be as difficult with you as you wish, so I hope you're ready. Though,
What does that mean?
honest, it's all the same no matter what you pick.
I thought that was...
You're lenient, mean, troublesome.
I low-key
adorable
thought that might be the
partner.
case because of
After
how
all,
out of place it was.
So,
But I was like,
are you ready?
maybe not.
Do you want to start for
So
real?
I still had to, like...
Do you seriously want to start? Seriously? For real?
I don't want to start, bro. Okay. Yep. Seriously. Yeah, bro. Just start the.
Guess you're really here for it.
Yeah.
Sounds like you're just dying to solve some mysteries. You
Yeah,
just
that's
can't
true.
wait to go on adventures with me, right?
With you, that's debatable.
Humans are so weird! Well, let's get this started. It's time to embark on my lovely, thrilling, wonderful, mystery-solving adventure. Let's go!
We in there. All right. Saving. Yo, this looking sound like a Danganronpa V3 type of song I heard before. That one song when you're like, I don't even know, to be honest. Okay, we're on a train. I've got it! A body has been discovered. Look at the art style. You'll love to see it.
Whoa!
Dang.
What's going on?
What is wrong with bro's voice?
Wait. Huh? Where am I?
Bro, his voice sounds... Dang! I'm trying to take you out.
Who? What?
Is this an Isekai? Oh, no, wait, he has amnesia. So they say he got reincarnated in a boy's body? Is that why his voice is so deep? Yeah. Bro got the light up Air Jordans? Okay.
Huh? Why? How?
Do y'all want voice acting? Should I do that?
I can't remember anything. Does that mean... Do I have... What was it called? Amnesia?
You remember what you had?
All right,
But you don't
calm
remember
down.
anything else, bro?
Take a deep breath.
This music is bopping though. Deep breaths.
Dang it! I can't remember anything! Where am I? Who am I? Why can't I remember?
Inside your pocket.
Stop whispering in my ear, Ghost.
Huh?
Before you get me turned on. What?
Check your belongings.
Who's there? Am I hearing things too?
Yeah, bro. Oh, I just realized, bro has the ahoge, the little hair thingy, and it's making a question mark.
I lost my memories and now I'm hearing things. What's going on? Ow!
Dang, I felt that in the controller.
Oh, what now? I
You
can't
just
catch a
electrocuted me,
break.
bro.
Check my belongings. Huh.
What's a belonging?
An envelope. Notice. World Detective Organization Human Resources. Dear Yuma Coco Head, you are
Coco
hereby
Head?
dispatched to the Special Autonomous
they
Zone
arranged your
of
name, my boy.
Kanai Ward. Dispatch duration indefinite. Use the enclosed ticket to board the Amaterasu Express to Kanai Ward. Rendezvous with the master detectives on site.
They just got a fire express? that
Upon
never
arrival,
stops being on
proceed to the
fire?
Nocturnal Detective Agency, World Detective Organization, Kanai Ward Branch. There, you will receive further instructions. Go forth, proud detectives. Eliminate all mysteries from this world. Yuma
Yes, sir.
Cocoa Head?
Yeah, you gonna have to change your last name, my guy. Like,
That's my name?
yeah, I wish it wasn't.
Thinking on
Yuma,
it,
Yuma is fine.
I guess that sounds right.
Cocoa Head is like wild.
That's right. I finally remember. My name is Yuma.
What if his name wasn't Yuma, and he's just being given like false information,
I'm Yuma Cocoa Head.
and it's leading to like a placebo to where he thinks that's his name? Nice transition.
But what's this about a world detective organization?
You're a detective, Yuma. We go around solving cases,
It
discovering
sounds
bodies,
significant. Am
etc.,
I a
etc.
part of it? If that's the case, am I a detective?
I need me some shoes like that,
I
bro.
guess these kinda look like a detective's clothes.
Like,
It seems I was supposed to get on a train. Or at least, I think so. Master detectives? Am I one of them? Could there be someone who knows me on the train?
y'all don't know this, but like, I low-key be trying to make some detective games too.
Here's the ticket. Let's check the schedule.
Visual novels right now, but you know, eventually when I can code for real, it's raps.
Hey,
Finale working
it's
at
almost
Spike
time.
Chunsoft.
Well, I should get on that train. I'll find out more about myself if I meet someone who knows me.
Attention!
Character controls, camera controls. Before rushing off to the train, let's start with basic controls.
Mm-hmm.
Moving the camera. Spoil the
Oh.
Places an examination marker can be inspected. Make sure to investigate areas of interest. Interesting.
Better write this down.
You can fast forward, auto advance through dialogue. Cinematics can be skipped. Why would I ever skip that, bro?
Gotta stay in that detective mindset.
There's more. Detective points can be earned by conducting detective activities like investigation and gathering info.
Sure hope you got all that down.
Maybe increase detective rank. Maybe something cool will happen when the rank goes up. All right, I'm finna farm this rank up.
Don't you forget.
There's more. Icons on the mini map, not the objective. Talk to people with. Can I move yet? Oh my gosh, I can move. I've never seen a Danganronpa game where you can move fluidity. It's always like sideways platformer. And no, Ultra Despair Girl does not count. She got the blicky out the whole game, bro. I mean, I guess it kind of counts, but it's not the same thing, bro. Shelf of
Why are there so many umbrellas? The label reads, Lost Items Temporary Storage.
Basically, if I've come to the right conclusion, these umbrellas were used to get on this train because it was raining outside. But for some reason, my clothes aren't wet, which means I was here before it started raining. In other words, we can conclude that I was born here and raised here my entire life, never left this room. Interesting. What's next? There's something in the back but I can't get through with all these things in the way. Stuff might fall if I try to move it. I better not go back there.
Bags, hats, and books. A lot of stuff has been placed here.
I see. In other words, what you're saying is the people who use the umbrellas to get on the train from the rain also brought their luggage, knowing that they wouldn't be back home, at least for an extended period of time. Let's see. Interesting.
A toy robot? It looks sturdy. The label says lost items.
I see. Interesting.
This is...
The cardboard box here. I can peek through the hole. But it's too dark to make anything out. I bet it's a monster in there. Maybe even a ghost. ZR. Let's see. Is there anything else I need to check out? I need all my points now. Don't be trying to jip me. I think this is it. Should be able to leave.
I
see,
get it.
Train
The
station.
place where I was sleeping was in fact...
Gym stores, stations lost and found. I like how their eyes move along with whatever option you're looking at.
That's right. I've been sleeping in a station's lost and found section. But
Wow, what a
why
great
was I
detective.
sleeping here?
Genius. We're rank 2.
Did I faint?
They
Or
should look kinda
was I
fine.
attacked? If so, then who did it?
I don't know. Probably did it to yourself, bro.
Attention passengers departing this station direct to Kanai Ward on the Amaterasu Express.
Amaterasu.
Please board immediately. The train will depart soon.
Is everyone passing me a detective or just random?
I have to get on that train. I better hurry.
I'm just gonna leave the door open? Alright, I guess.
I'm sorry.
The Amaterasu Express will now depart.
Just made it. Leave it to me.
Oh, made it in time.
Thank you for choosing the Amaterasu Express Direct to Kanai Ward. Our train utilizes Amaterasu Corporation's state-of-the-art technology for an automated, safe, and comfortable service. There is no crew aboard the train. Thank you for your
We're gonna die.
understanding
We're all
and
gonna
support.
die. Yep, it's wraps. It's over, guys.
Automatic? So nobody's driving this thing.
We live in the future, bro. Did you forget that? Like, everything's AI, robots.
This train has 5 cars. It will operate non-stop to its destination. Food and beverages are available in Car 2. Restrooms are available in Car 1 and Car 5.
You gotta pay attention to that. See, they leaking information. You're thinking that you're not paying attention, but in fact, it's gonna be useful. So basically, someone's gonna get murdered in one of these cars, and we got to think about where everything was at. You know, food is in 1 and 5. Restrooms are in 2. Remember that, guys.
In case of an emergency, visit the backup control room in Car 3 and contact Control Headquarters via the intercom.
See,
We
I'm
hope
already
you enjoy
knowing.
your trip aboard the Amaterasu Express.
They didn't even say what
on
was in
your
4.
journey to Kanai Ward.
Suspicious. There's a dead body there.
So there are 5 cars. This must be car 1 at the front. I'd better find the other detectives and meet up with them.
If we use this.
Notebook menu has features and info useful for investigations. And if it gets updated, it will be marked with a new mark.
Yo! Check!
Why are you being so loud, bro? In case files, you can see an outline of the ongoing case and next objective. Interesting.
Whoa, this stuff's vital!
In save load file, current progress can be saved or the game can be started from save data. How convenient this modern world is. Okay.
You definitely want to remember this.
You can save whenever master is able to walk around freely, but there are some exceptions, so be careful.
And that's a wrap!
In options, game settings can be adjusted. So I just came here with like no luggage whatsoever at all. What are you doing? They're gonna make me jump out. Connecting door to what? What does it connect to? Main control room? Oh, I'm finna mess up this whole mod, bro. Finna shut off the control room. Everything finna go haywire.
There's a warning on the door. Please keep your hands clear of the doors. For your safety, doors will remain locked while the train is in motion.
I see. That's an important fact. Write that down in your notebook. Doors will remain locked while it's in motion. So if like we stop motion or the doors believe we stop motion, it can be open.
It won't open. I guess that's obvious. And this is the front car. The nose of the train is just beyond it. If it opened, I could fall off.
Interesting.
It says main control room A. The door's locked. It won't open.
So that means there's multiple main control rooms.
There's a driver's seat inside, but no one's there. The machine appears to be functioning. That must be the automatic operation device.
What's the point in having a seat in there for a driver if the whole train operates on machine, bro? Interesting.
It's a map of the train. The first and last cars can control the train. The rest are passenger cars.
First restroom. Oh, they said, wait. Now I'm confused. Did I miss something? I thought they said the second car was the restroom and 1 and 5 was food or something. Dang, I'm already losing the facts, bro. I'm screwed. So 301, 302, backup control room. Remember that. Infirmary and restroom. Can I look at the dialogue that was said? Because honestly, dang, there's nothing in the pause menu. It's just pause. Okay, how do I open my? Oh, here it is. Backlog. Restrooms are in car 1 and 5. Food and beverages are in 2. Got it. Notebook menu. Y. Okay, we got case files.
If you're that lost, why not check your notes?
In case files, you can see outline, ongoing case, what to do after case. You massacre on the Amaterasu. Oh my gosh, bro. I didn't even get in the case yet. I already spoiled it. Yuma awoke in the room at the train station with amnesia in his possession. Was a notice of the world detective. On Amaterasu Express, there were evidently a number of master detectives who could be considered colleagues. Talking with the master detectives might have yielded information about himself. With this in mind, Yuna set off to talk to these guys. I'm gonna save the game. Save. Chapter 0. Okay. I think that's all I need right now. Appreciate that. Anything else to investigate? Let me look at the window. Why does the grass look so high? I feel like I've seen that tree before. Are we going in circles, guys?
There's a sink and toilet inside. This must be the restroom.
No, like I said, restroom on the door.
There's no one inside it right now.
Are you sure about that? Oh my gosh, there's so much to investigate. More rank up points for me. You see my reflection. Perfectly polished mirror. I'm still not used to it. Is that really my face? Window. This restroom window is fixed in place, so it can't be opened. I don't see any of the detectives through the window. Time to move on. Why would they be outside, bro? What? Anybody in there? Y'all banging?
Excuse me?
Anyone here? Guess there's no one here. If y'all really want me to like voice act, I'll do it. But not right now. You know? It's gotta be later on. I can't investigate the fire extinguisher? Like, I know that's important, bro. Is this the infirmary?
I see a clean-looking bed. This is probably the infirmary. It's locked, but there's no one inside.
How would you unlock that? I didn't miss anything, did I? Did I? Another map.
It's a map of the train.
So there's 4 main control rooms in total. 2 of them are room A's, 2 of them are room B's. I see. I can't investigate this door? Alrighty then.
It says main control room B. The door is locked and won't open. I see a driver's seat in there, but no one's inside. There's a machine, but it's not on.
You have the lights off, so it does look.
Driver's seats on both sides of the train. I think that means they can go in either direction. Oh. I kinda sounded like a real detective there.
Not really, bro. You didn't figure out anything useful. Wow, maybe this train could go back and forth. Like, what, bro? I don't know. It'll probably be useful information later.
Someone's there. I heard a voice behind the door.
I didn't hear Jack. Was I talking too much? My bad. What's up, everybody? There's only 5 of y'all? What the? I thought we lived in a human society. Bro got ears on? Why do y'all all look weird? She's the only normal one. Is it me or the clothes he's wearing kind of similar?
Excuse me. Are you with the World Detective Organization?
The who the what's it now? Boy, do we look like some detectives to you?
You are, right? You're master detectives, aren't you?
Realistically, do they actually look like master detectives to you, bro? They look like a bunch of school kids, bro.
We are. But who are you?
But who are you?
I'm with you. I think I'm also a master detective of the World Detective Organization.
A boy like you? Master detective of the WDO?
Okay, what about a girl like you? That was not meant to be misogynistic. I was just copying her. Like, why is she looking down on me?
It seems like it.
Seems like it.
I do not want to hear that from a furry like you, bruh. Stop moving your ears, because that's not normal.
Like hell, dumbass!
Oh, calm down. Bro, you honestly look like you got some panties on your face, bro.
Huh?
You're not Spider-Man. Get that off of your face, bro.
A runt like you, a master detective? You're just shooting your mouth off. You look like a shriveled anteater.
You look like a master pervert, bro. Get those panties off of your face.
Anteater?
What's the meaning of this?
What's up? You're the only normal chick.
You got a lot of nerve posing as a master detective. You wanna die right here, right now?
Wait, please hear me out. Oh, right. I have proof that I'm a master detective.
He just took that. Come get your boy. Girl over there, please come get your boy.
A letter
Before I have to box
from
him.
the World Detective Organization?
Yes, furry man.
It's real. There's no mistake about it.
What? Are you serious?
Looks like there's a reason behind this. Go ahead and tell us. I'll allow it.
No, oh, what, bro?
Right, thank you. But there's really not much to explain. And that's what happened.
It wasn't much. Why did they need to fast forward, bro?
Amnesia.
Looks that way. I was hoping one of you would know who I am.
Apparently not.
Why are we all wearing these blue, childish-looking school uniforms, bro? Do all master detectives wear this?
No way. We're on the same team, but no one knows me? Then who am I?
You're a nobody.
That's what I want to know. Besides, even if the letter is real, you may not be the right recipient.
Why do you suspect me?
There is a reason why. But first, do you know what the World Detective Organization is all about?
Of course.
A
detecting the
little
world.
bit. I think I remember a little. Or not.
Guess not. So you called yourself a member without even knowing.
Here's the thing, bro. Y'all are the detectives, master detectives, right? You tell me! You tell me who I am, bro.
Yes.
You figure it out.
Sorry.
Well, I suppose it's a master detective's duty to shepherd the lost. Very well, I'll tell you. Maybe you'll regain your memories after hearing what I have to say.
Thank you.
I got a tauntail going? Anything to investigate.
Let's do things logically.
Where do you think you're going? Listen to me first.
Uh,
Right, I need to call first. Dang it. I'm gonna investigate that map, bro. Hello, mister. Hello, pervert. Hello, fine specimen. Hello, female looking girl. Hello, furry. you have a cyborg guy, bro? I don't trust him. You're an old man with all these children with a red cyborg eye and a trench coat. You're not trustworthy, bro.
What?
Well, so useful.
Oh,
I was wondering if I could get your number. That's what it was. All of you suck. Thank you for not talking to me.
Listen up. The World Detective Organization is an extra-legal, extra-privileged organization devoted to eradicating the world's unsolved mysteries.
Extra privilege is kind of crazy, bro.
Their branches exist throughout the world, and their investigations are handled by master detectives. As of now, there are roughly 1,000 master detectives in the WDO. All have powers specializing in investigative work.
Powers? Is that what your ears are for? They help you listen to crickets or something, bro?
Powers?
So we're all superhuman.
They are supernatural powers used in investigation, known as forensic fortes.
And I can speak to ghosts. Literally, I just gotta ask the dead person who just died who did it. It's like, are you the victim? Because like if they die, then their spirit goes up, they become a ghost, and I can contact ghosts. I guess that's my power. So it's just like, I asked them, who murdered you? And I solved the case. Too easy.
People who develop talents such as clairvoyance or mind reading.
You're clairvoyant. Isn't that like reading the future or something? They could just see the future when somebody died and see who did it.
They train at the organization to harness these special powers, which aid in their investigations.
Bro, that actually is such a cool concept though. Using powers to help like master detective, like for detective work. Because mostly you see powers in fighting and all that stuff, bro.
Those who manage to gain a forte are recognized as master detectives and given a detective deed. Which means, if you're a master detective, it should say so on your license.
Detective deed?
It's an identification card. Check your pockets.
Dang, I was robbed.
I don't have one.
If you don't have a detective deed, you ain't one of us. Even if you got one, I'd suspect it's fake anyway.
Maybe you're like an apprentice or something.
Oh, hold on. I'm not trying to trick anyone.
Pardon me.
Yeah, what is it?
He seems
Speak
to
up.
be the only one accused of being an imposter. But how about the rest of you? If you require he has some sort of proof, then the same would apply to everyone here.
I don't know. If we're bringing up that point, it's kind of suspicious. She's the culprit. Lock her up.
The hell'd you just say?
He's fighting back. He's suspicious. Lock him up. He's a culprit.
She's right.
What do you mean? You're agreeing with her? Oh, y'all both are the culprit. Lock them up.
Everyone here has just met for the first time. Naturally, we would doubt one another.
Huh? First time? So, you guys don't know each other?
No, bro. This is not some well-oiled machine. Everybody just met up here, like just now. First time seeing each other. Why do you think nobody knows you, bro?
Master detectives rarely meet together. We each travel the world on our own, solving cases.
So why did somebody call y'all to all come on this train?
I've never seen so many gathered together for a case like this. We thought all of the summoned members had shown up and were about to start introductions. Then you walked in.
I see.
Well, let's start the introductions. We'll include the tardy one as well.
What? You still want to do introductions? With the imposter too?
It's vital for us to ascertain each of our identities moving forward. All the more reason due to this perplexing circumstance.
perplexing circumstance? What does he mean by that?
Yeah, bro. The furry's got a point.
Now, let's begin.
Who are you, mister? What's your name? But it's pervert, isn't it?
I'm Mayfex Logan. I'm from the
Apex.
detective branch in the eastern slums.
You're from the slums, bro? I'm glad you made it out the hood. Apex Legends, Logan.
They call me a master detective now, but I'm originally a broke, illegal immigrant.
So you are the criminal. Lock him up.
When I was a kid, I was in an upstanding home, living an upstanding life. My parents were lawyers who never tolerated injustice. They should have left well enough alone with that local mafioso. Because they went after him, they were murdered. Their necks were cut open, right in front of me.
Golly, bro. Dang. That's crazy.
That's awful.
I ran away to protect myself and jumped on a ship at the port.
I can't wait for you to have kids because I'm gonna do the same thing to them, bro. I'm sorry. Those are the OD.
I didn't know where the ship was going. That was the moment I threw away my past and my home.
Is bro trauma dumping?
I
Red
drifted
flag.
to the slums and did everything I could to survive.
It's from the slums? Wow, that just gave me the ick.
I managed to survive until now, thanks to luck. With my natural talents, I was able to become a detective. But I also wanted revenge. I can't stand evil. But even if you ain't evil, I'll show no mercy to those who stand in my way. If I can't figure out the difference between the good guys and the baddies, then I just beat up both of them. Kill or be killed is my motto.
He looks scary, but that's not all.
Not on the side of justice.
I think there's a deep sadness within him.
He just told you his parents got split right in front of him. What do you
I can't share
obviously
details about my
sad.
forte. Just know it's kinda like radar.
Okay, so forte is a name for powers? And my forte, like quirk. My quirk is this, my forte is that.
That's all you're going to tell us?
You got a problem with that, you tiny runt?
Bro, watch out, bro.
Not at all.
You sure are a frail-looking kid, aren't you?
Watch out, bro. You're not really close to me. Don't make me pull out my knife.
And pale to boot. Like disaster's got its claws on you. You sure nothing weird is haunting you?
It's crazy because that's actually true.
No way!
A detective's gotta be tough. How about a little training?
I'm good, bro.
First, you'll need to get used to
stab
stab wounds. We'll start with an ice pick, and scissors, and a fruit knife.
There's a knife specifically for fruit.
No thanks.
Don't be shy, runt.
Bro, what is wrong with you? Like, actually, bro, you are nuts. You just calling himself a detective, bro.
No,
You're
really,
the
I'm fine.
imposter. You're just a psycho serial killer.
Too bad.
He's actually a torturer, bro. Yeah. I don't want to talk to bro no more. What's up, I-Man?
I am Zanget Eraser. I come from a detective agency on the front lines, far from here.
Eraser? Like Eraserhead from My Hero Academia? Is that why your eye is closed up?
Perhaps you expect an introduction, but I have nothing to say.
I mean, just giving your name is technically an introduction, so you already lied.
Let the past melt like ice in an evening's drink. That's how I live my life.
So you like to drink, is what I'm hearing.
My forte is thoughtography. I can transcribe images from my memory onto electronics. That's all from me. There's no need for any further explanations.
Got it, bro.
There's clearly something extraordinary about him.
I don't know the eye. Hello, Miss Thang. What's up with you?
Hey, young man.
Yes, my lady.
Me?
That's right. Come here. Stand
I
before
already
me.
did. I mean, what?
Ooh, why?
You want to kiss me? Oh, she gave me a hug.
Huh?
I know it has something to do with her
going
forte,
on?
bro. She just stole all my information. My whole identity has been stolen, bro. Fraud.
I'm measuring you.
Hello! Watch where your hands are! Watch where your hands are! She's trying to give me a handy. On the
Stay
train?
still for just a second. I'll be
In the
quick.
middle of everybody? Oh, she's gonna make it quick too?
Thank you. That
Why'd
was
you
quite
stop? I was
educational.
almost there.
That outfit fits you well.
Thank you.
My name is Melanie Goldmine. My home is rather far north from here. Up there is a branch with detectives adept at spiritism. I was also active there as a medium.
Oh, interesting. I don't care. Dang, your lips look kissable. What you trying to do? How old am I? Am I the minor in this situation?
A
Is it
medium?
okay for her to kiss me? Is she the problem?
I can summon the souls of the dead by using my body as a vessel.
That's crazy. That sounds like a combination of Eno, maybe? I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, like that one guy from Psyche K. I think he let ghosts into his body or whatever, or spirits. Your power is actually very close to mine. I can hear spirits and see them.
Summon a soul?
It's not the same as summoning, but like,
Can you summon
contact
anyone who has died? Like, for example, the victim of a crime?
Yes, of course.
that's so easy. Just let them take over your body. Say who the victim is. Yeah, it was that man over there. The janitor standing in the closet.
But there
Yeah,
is
he
one
wouldn't.
condition. I require the clothes that person wore while they were still alive.
Okay, she's a pervert, bro.
Only by wearing their clothes can I summon their soul.
Yeah, she's a weirdo.
Hence why my powers don't work on people smaller than me, or if the person is far bigger. Overall, the size must match.
I guess they had to balance out. I say balance, but they really just nerfed her hard, bro. Because it's like, when a fat person died, or a child, anyone younger than you, wow, that power is low-key useless at that point.
Also, I can't abide outfits with no fashion sense. Filthy, reeking clothes are always out of the question.
Okay, at least she has standards, I guess.
That sounds more like a preference than a condition.
Right?
Clothes make a man. They reveal all about one's livelihood. Like skin worn over skin. That's what clothes are all about.
Clothes are so important. How about you take yours off? Right here.
Consider that when compared to bare
Hello,
skin,
unit.
clothing has a greater surface area seen by other people.
Right.
Therefore,
So awesome.
clothes are an expression of a person's identity and originality.
Bro, we all got the same basic looking school uniforms on, bro. There's no originalness here.
You ever think about how you've never heard of ghosts being naked?
What do you mean? Ghosts are always naked.
Ghosts wear clothing because those clothes are a part of their identity.
I literally just seen a purple ghost earlier, bro. Had no clothes on.
Now that you mention
That was
it,
a ghost.
That's why, despite your amnesia, I can tell the kind of person you are just by looking at the clothes you wear.
They didn't tell me.
really?
Your uniform is undoubtedly an official one supplied by the WDO. And I found it fits you perfectly after measuring your size. I don't think it could possibly belong to someone else.
Alright, so what's my size? How long am I? Am I packing? Am I like 10 inches?
Which means I really am a master detective?
No, you're an apprentice, bro.
Am I one or not? I can't figure it out without my memory coming back to me.
That's all I have to say. I'm the medium detective Melanie. Nice to meet you all.
You could have said that and ended it there, bro. Whole conversation was pointless. Hello, ma'am. I like your headphones.
Introduction. Introduce myself.
Is she all there?
A subjective observation of one's own self-image, explained objectively.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna see you later, though. Peace.
Are you okay?
No, she is not.
Did I do something that caused you concern?
No, it's just you seem to be having difficulty introducing yourself.
I rarely have a need to do so, so I was considering what approach to take.
What is your name? What is your power? That's it.
After
All
all,
I need to know.
is there such a thing as a self in the first place?
Alright, bro. No need to get in like philosophical questions.
All
bro.
I am is a bundle of nervous tissue reacting to external stimuli. If I had to, I guess I'd call myself Poochie Laughman.
What, bro? That's not even her real name. She just made something up. Why are you blushing? Man, someone get me out of here, bro. I'm about to talk to the furry.
So, your name is Poochie then?
No.
Names are meaningless. A method of arbitrary labeling for self-recognition. Symbols for categorization. Nothing more.
Right.
To that end, it serves the same purpose as a detective deed. Or so I, Poochie, believe.
Right.
She seems a bit odd.
A bit, bro?
Most of the World Detective Organization's work is investigating unsolved mysteries. I was trusted with many bureaucratic investigations. My clients are mainly enterprises and politicians. Depending on the client, I use my forte to see if the transaction party is trustworthy. My forte is known as audio aptitude.
So, like a lie detector?
When I concentrate, I can hear anything from distant whispers, footsteps, and even heartbeats.
So, a lie detector.
No one is safe to speak of their secrets when I, Poochie, am around.
Then what does this furry do? Like, there's no way that both of y'all are, like, hearing experts, right?
Oh, then did you hear anything suspicious at the station? Maybe we can figure out what happened to me.
Unfortunately, unless I focus my efforts on listening, I'm unable to hear things far away.
Oh, I see.
You're useless. I see.
Constantly listening in on all sounds leads to a sensation of my physical boundaries within reality dissolving away. My already tenuous sense of self starts to vanish, which is why I tend to close my ears unless I'm using my powers.
Being blessed with powers sure comes at a price. Did she always act in such a strange way? Or did it develop after she obtained her forte?
Yeah, bro, she started hearing voices and she, like, just became, like, philosophical, stopped realizing who she was as a person.
Regardless, she definitely has a distinct air about her.
That is all I have to say about myself.
Okay.
Oh.
Why did she back up so suddenly? Like, bro, is touching my hand that's scary to you? She still get shy?
This part of her seems a bit more normal.
So you still act like a regular human when... Okay. Yeah, no, get me out of here, bro. I'm leaving. I don't even want to talk to Furry anymore. I'm out.
Yeah.
I'll go first. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Zilch Alexander.
Wow. I mean, wow. Your name is Zilch? That's almost as bad as the other guy. What was his name? I don't even remember. How many women do you get? Zilch.
I'm from the Southern Forest Preserve District's detective agency. They call me Nature's Mediator.
Why do you sound so arrogant?
I love people, nature,
Yo?
and the harmony between them. However, there are times when some would attempt to ruin that harmony. My specialty is in handling those people. Have you heard of the chain of mysterious murders surrounding the dam construction at Souls Lake?
I have amnesia. I don't even know what that is, bro.
Rumor has it that one by one, everyone involved with the dam's construction died, all cursed by a sunken ritual site. It was a once-in-a-century difficult case. The one who solved it was none other than myself. There wasn't much to it. The culprits were locals who wanted the rights to the dam for themselves. The strange part is that all 52 villagers were in on it. They all kept their lips sewn shut to protect the secret.
Yeah, that kind of seems obvious, bro. You didn't really figure nothing out.
I'll let
It's
you
like,
figure
they
out what
forgot.
that means.
What did you say?
When harmony between man and nature is disrupted, disaster strikes. That is one thing I have learned as a detective.
Nature's mediator. He does look like a good detective.
He's not, bro.
Though he suspected me, he still gave me a fair chance to explain myself. He looks a bit intense, but maybe he's a good person.
Maybe he's not.
I'll describe my forte as well. I'm uncomfortable exposing classified information regarding investigators, but this is an emergency.
Let me guess, somebody died.
My forte is animal investigation. I can control animals as I wish and recruit them from my inquiries. Quite
Hey,
fitting for the
yo.
philanthropist that I am.
Can you imagine, bro? Like, let's say, like, we're walking through a forest, right, bro? And you see this, like, fine-looking bunny. Look, come over here, girl. I didn't...
Though useful in many ways, I mainly use it to gather intel. It allows me to survey a target while remaining undetected.
Right, bro, right.
As a basic rule, I can only control four-legged mammals. Less intelligent animals are easier to control. I often use mice. They're the perfect animals for undercover investigations.
As long as you ain't using no dog and no peanut butter, bro.
Unfortunately, I can't show it off right now, because there aren't any mice on this train.
Thankfully, bro.
Not only is he a good detective, but he also has those powers. He really is impressive.
That is all from me. With love, I yield to the next person.
You were the last person, bro.